Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, a small block of mass m is kept at the left end of a plank B of mass 3m and length L. The system can slide on horizontal road. The system is started towards right with initial velocity mu u. The friction coefficient between rod and plank is 1 by 2 and that between plank and block is 1 by 4. Then the time to elapsed before block is separate from the plank is. So student, the length of this plank B is L and it is moving in right direction. So there is a kinetic friction between block A and block B. So friction force between A and B is mu R. Mu is 1 by 4 and R is mg because m is the mass of the block A. So this is mg by 4. Okay. Now force on block B, F2 equal to 1 by 2 coefficient of friction mu R. R is mg. M is m plus 3m into g. Therefore this is 4g by 2. It is 2g. 2mg. 2mg. This is the force on F2 and this is the force on F1. So the resultant force because they are in opposite direction, F2 in this direction and F1 in this direction. Therefore the resultant force F2 minus F1, F2 is 2 mg minus F1 is mg by 4. So this is 4 to 8, 8 minus 1, 7 mg by 4. This is the force on B and this is the force on A. So the acceleration on A equal to mg by 4 into m. So this is g by 4 and acceleration of B, this is 4 mg m into AB, that is 7 mg by 4. 7 mg by 4. The mass of the block B is 3 mg only. 3 mg. It has 3 mg, not 4 mg. So the resultant force on this is FB, which is 7 mg by 4. So 3 mg, m cancel. AB equal to 7g by 4, 3 ja 12. Now relative acceleration, that is AB minus AG, AA, AB minus AA, 7g by 12 minus g by 4, 7g by 12 minus multiplying by 3, 3g by 12. So this is 7 minus 3, 4g by 12, that is g by 3. And with this acceleration, the particle cover a distance of L. Initial velocity u is 0 and L equal to u t plus half a relative lt square. So L equal to this is 0, half a relative is g by 3 into t square. Therefore 3L upon 3 to the 6L upon g equal to t square, or t equal to under root 6L upon g. So this is the time of elapsed by the first block A, and answer is option A, I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.